vacation. I feel like I've been putting overtime. I'm usually not the type that's happy waiting. Can I get that?
I look crusty as hell. I haven't showered. My hair oily. My face is swollen from all the allergies, seasonal allergies. And I just got my mother nature. So I'm puffy and bloated. I'm with my husband. And you guys, his left foot right here.
Let's get amputated.
No, he has gout. Well, he was diagnosed with gout. Good morning, Kunyang. Good morning, Kunyang. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Good morning. His paws on me.
My skin not good.
Nothing's ever guaranteed. Nothing's ever guaranteed. Why put yourself through agony?
Cho nhìn nhá. Ay. Okay, let's go McDonald's to get popped.
Here you go.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We are home and everything is set to eat. I'll show you guys what we got. We got some chicken skewers and we also got some chicken wings.
Wondering where I'd be if you stayed the night. They all at that party, yeah, but I don't mind. Cause I bought a hot pocket at the 7-Eleven. Come on, let's do it again, I'll do it over again. Just to stay in this moment with you, under the moon.
I got done showering, skincare. I'm completely done with my laundry. About to go do a caribou run. I got my caribou. I got my caribou. It's so good. Now time to put my clothes away.
You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine.
I am done organizing, cleaning out my clothes, my towels and everything. I put everything in my drawers, you know, because it's called being organized. I cleaned up my side of the bed. It was horribly messy. My baby right here. School textbooks here, because I'm about to do homework. Oh, baby daddy. Oh, baby daddy. Oh, baby daddy. So look at him. Look at him.